sir and all my dear friends. Today we are here for a conversation, and our conversation topic is he is my friend Kusang and he want to join any English academy. So he came to me and asked some suggestion and advice that what is the best academy in a Baitul. So let's start the conversation.
Yes. Hi Vinay, how are you?
Hello Kusang, I am fine. What
After a
about
long
you?
time we are meeting.
Yeah,
Where you are now?
I think I am currently doing studies and just I passed from the college
Yes, yes.
and now I am doing work.
I
So I have to come there.
I want to ask something from you.
What? What
That
you want to ask?
I want to join some English academy.
Oh, that's great.
Yes.
So which type of English academy are you searching?
That in that I get everything, communication and confidence, so that I can speak in front of some big.
Okay, so that's a group good. And can I know that why you want to learn the English and what is your
Actually,
purpose?
Purpose is that I want to crack some interviews.
Okay.
So in that I am not that much prepared.
Oh yeah. So yeah, earlier I joined a English academy. This name is Miracle English Academy, and there are lots of English academies in Baitul. But I think Miracle English Academy is one of the best English academy. So I will suggest you that you should join the Miracle English Academy.
Tell me about more thing, how he was and
Okay, okay. So it's started from 2014 and recently it's completed there 11 years and it's a spreading knowledge to many students and they teaches to many students and the environment of the Miracle English Academy is the best, one of best, and there are digital classes and they provide us the online PDF sessions and they also provide the PD classes that you say that you want to improve your confidence and the boost your communication. So I think the Miracle English Academy is best for you because they teaches us apart from the studies lots of things like they give us that much seminars there we can focus on our personality and the body language and and the director of Miracle English Academy is Krishna sir and he is also the teaches us and the teaching method is very easy and to the understanding. So yeah.
But about your point of view, how that academy?
Yeah, I joined last 6 months ago, and my experience is that this is the best academy. There we get that much environment. There we can learn the things, and so that things will up to the mark.
So means our confidence level will build up or not?
Yeah, definitely. You will focus on your studies because the teachers and every institute, you know that everyone teaches us by the good way.
Yes, yes.
But it depends on you that how much need you and what you want to learn.
They are providing some study material or
Yeah, yeah. Also, they provide us the online sessions, and so that we will do our homework and revision also at our home. And it's very easy to understand for the beginners.
yes, yes.
And they also focus on your spoken personal development, and they give us the competitive examinations, and they teach us how to crack any interview, and they give chance to give presentation on the front of many students so that our confidence will also be improved.
So where it is situated?
So it is situated at LIC, front of LIC building and the beyond of Aditi restaurant.
Okay.
So, yeah, so you should visit once.
Yes, yes.
Then you will get lots of information about this academy.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
You know about some fees?
Yeah, fees. I don't know about all of the fees, but there are lots of type of batches are available like crash course and recently they introduced the summer batches are also after some days summer batches will be also started so you can join it because they are you know that students have a lots of work of schools but in the summer
Yes.
we have holidays
Yes, yes.
so we can go to the coaching and
That's why I am came here for you.
yeah. So yeah, this is a good
So
academy.
I will go there and visit once.
Yeah,
Then I will
definitely.
tell you what we
Okay,
are.
okay.
So thank you, thank you.
Yeah.